Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the game is updated and you're logged in. This prevents missing features. Next, open the main lobby and go straight to Settings, then Chat or Emote Settings, because that's where emotes and keyboard options live. Once there, make sure you have at least one emote unlocked or bought. If not, visit the shop quickly. This first step unlocks access and prevents interruptions, so you can move immediately into assigning and customizing without wasting time on irrelevant menus. Now you assign emotes to the quick access wheel and optional chat shortcuts so you can use them fast in battle. Tap the emote wheel and drag preferred emotes into available slots. Make sure high priority reactions occupy 1-3 slots for speed. Then set chat shortcuts with an emoji plus short text for team communication. Once done, test the wheel in a practice match to confirm layout. This makes your reactions consistent and reduces fumbling during real matches when timing matters most. In Match, tap the emote icon near your control pad and choose the assigned slot. Quick taps yield fast reactions while long press may open extended menus. Use short emote bursts to communicate timing. Pair a laugh or thumbs up right after an objective, because concise signals reduce confusion. If emotes don't appear, check that chat/emote is enabled, clear the game cache, and restart. If problems persist, reinstall or contact support. This final check ensures your emotes work reliably when you need them most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.